Okay, this morning's Thursday the 14th of March. We're about 32 kilometres away from the actual coast. That's just one day's travel away from the coast. But yesterday we got stuck only for one day by quite a severe blow that came through. Whiteout conditions, 30-40 knots of wind. Now, just one day of blow has put us back probably a couple of days of travel, because you just get a lot of blown snow around the area. Now I just want to show you guys around to show you what it's like after one day of blow. Now, as you can see underneath here, we've got big snow drifts. That is a massive snow wall just here. And due to the wind direction actually changed while we parked up. We parked up into wind. It changed direction as we were camped overnight. And now the cats look a bit like this. So as you can see, we've got a bit of digging to do. The front of the cats here, huge snow drifts, probably going 30 metres down in front of the direction we need to travel. The cats here, completely buried. As you can see, if I go up on top of the snow drifts now, I will probably be just as high as the cats themselves. Pretty impressive, eh? Pretty stunning. Amazing shapes in the snow drifts themselves. But as I say, a little pinhole, and the snow will completely fill up inside. So the engine compartments will be completely full of snow right now. So we have to get this snow off, then we have to get inside the machines and completely clean them out. Our fuel scoots. Wow. Fuel scoots are buried. That's going to be a bit of digging out. So a fun day ahead, as you can see.